Greek future tense with have.
Έχω.
Master the will have forms. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey there, ready for a quick, fun boost to your Greek? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to languages. For more tips and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the Greek future of have with laughs, drills, and tiny brain fireworks. Buckle up. Your goal today. You'll confidently use every key future form of have. Base, have equals.
Έχω.
You, sing, will have equals.
Θα έχεις.
He will have equals.
Θα έχει.
She will have equals.
Θα έχει.
It will have equals.
Θα έχει.
We will have equals.
Θα έχουμε.
You, plural, formal, will have equals.
Θα έχετε.
They will have equals.
Θα έχουν.
Quick forms warm up. Repeat after me and feel the rhythm of the future. I have.
Έχω.
You will have, sing.
Θα έχεις.
He, she, it will have.
Θα έχει. We will have. Θα έχουμε.
You will have, plural.
Θα έχετε.
They will have.
Θα έχουν.
Funny mini story. Time for a tiny tale you'll actually remember. It's tomorrow, and your coffee maker announces in Greek, relax.
Θα έχεις.
Cafe. Your cat nods like a barista. The weather says,
Θα έχει.
Elio, and you shout, great.
Έχω.
Sunglasses. Your friends text, meet up at noon.
Θα έχουμε.
Pizza. The venue replies, don't worry.
Θα έχετε.
Seats. Meanwhile, the band whispers,
Θα έχουν.
extra tacos. Moral. In Greece, even the future is delicious. Call and response drills. Say it out loud, future you thanks present you. Translate. You, sing, will have time tomorrow. Answer.
Θα έχεις χρόνο αύριο.
Translate. He will have the keys. Answer.
Θα έχει τα κλειδιά.
Translate. She will have answers. Answer.
Θα έχει απαντήσεις.
Translate. It will have Wi-Fi. Answer.
Θα έχει Wi-Fi.
Translate. We will have coffee together. Answer.
Θα έχουμε καφέ μαζί.
Translate. You, plural, will have more time. Answer.
Θα έχετε περισσότερο χρόνο.
Translate. They will have the results by noon. Answer.
Θα έχουν τα αποτελέσματα μέχρι το μεσημέρι.
Snack size dialogue. Listen, then echo the Greek lines. A. Do I need to worry about tickets? B. No.
Θα έχεις.
Isoteria Oreo. A. And the venue? B.
Θα έχει.
Tezis Gia Olis. A. Perfect. Our group? B.
Θα έχουμε.
Cafe, key essays.
Θα έχετε.
Chrono na chilarosete. A. And the band? B.
Θα έχουν.
Atoimo to set. Culture tip. Everyday future. You'll hear this all over Greece, now you'll get it instantly. Weather and availability often use.
Θα έχει.
Quote.
Αύριο θα έχει ήλιο.
Tomorrow, it will have sun, or a cafe sign.
Θα έχουμε μουσική απόψε.
Once you spot.
Θα.
Plus the verb, you're golden. Speed quiz. Answer fast, your future fluency depends on it. Q. Greek for, you, sing, will have. A.
Θα έχεις.
Q. Greek for, we will have.
Θα έχουμε.
Q. Greek for, they will have. A.
Θα έχουν.
Q. One phrase that covers he, she, it will have. A.
Θα έχει.
Victory lap. The base, have. A.
Έχω.
Your tiny challenge. One powerhouse line, repeat it till it sticks. Say, by next week, we will have the results.
Μέχρι την επόμενη εβδομάδα θα έχουμε τα αποτελέσματα.
Bonus. Tomorrow, you, plural, will have a surprise.
Αύριο θα έχετε μια έκπληξη.
Wrap up. You nailed it, future you is high-fiving present you. Today you mastered.
Έχω. Θα έχεις. Θα έχει. Θα έχουμε. Θα έχετε. Θα έχουν.
Keep them on your tongue all day. Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Practice daily and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and fun quizzes. Ta lemma.